Welcome, food industry professionals, to an essential guide on good manufacturing practices, or GMP. These practices are the bedrock of food safety and quality worldwide, ensuring consumer trust. GMP ensures that products are consistently produced and controlled according to stringent quality standards. This minimizes risks inherent in any food production process. One of the core principles of GMP is stringent hygiene. This includes meticulous personal hygiene for all personnel and maintaining a clean production environment at all times. Sanitation is equally vital, encompassing the regular cleaning and disinfection of all equipment, surfaces, and facilities. This prevents microbial and physical contamination effectively. Effective pest control programs are also crucial to prevent pests from entering and contaminating food production areas. Pests pose significant risks to food safety and quality. Quality control is integrated throughout the entire manufacturing process, from raw material inspection to final product release. This ensures consistent adherence to quality specifications. This involves rigorous testing and monitoring at every stage to ensure products meet specified quality and safety parameters such as pH levels and microbial counts. Proper documentation is another cornerstone of GMP, providing a clear, traceable record of all processes, procedures, and controls. This meticulous record keeping is fundamental for transparency. These records are essential for audits, investigations, and continuous improvement initiatives, ensuring full accountability and transparency across all operations. Training and qualification of personnel are paramount, ensuring that every employee understands their role in maintaining GMP standards. This empowers them to contribute effectively to food safety. Regular training sessions keep staff updated on the latest protocols and best practices in food manufacturing. This continuous education is vital for adapting to evolving industry standards. Implementing robust GMP systems not only ensures consumer safety but also significantly enhances brand reputation and overall operational efficiency. By adhering to these critical guidelines, the food industry can continue to deliver safe, high-quality products to consumers worldwide, fostering confidence and well-being.